Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Chambly local and long-distance movers near me. If you need a cheap Chambly moving company, look no further than 3 Movers. Our team of professional movers has helped many people handle residential and commercial moves. We specialize in local and long-distance moving services to help you relocate your home or business. Even if you just need to move some furniture or equipment, we can help you. Our long-distance moving services will ensure you get the most out of your upcoming move. We offer you access to the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Are you trying to handle a long-distance move? Our team will make it easier to relocate, whether it's your home, business, or both. We can help you move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or 2,000 miles away from your current location. Getting the Canada moving company you need will make a big difference for your local move. The right professional movers will help make sure you get to your new location faster and easier. You can even avoid injury or sore muscles from heavy lifting. 3 Movers will help make sure you get the help you need. Our team will give you the moving services necessary to save time and energy. If you want a streamlined process, we are the local movers for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chambly moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.